Proper grounding and bonding of traffic signal installations is crucial for safety and performance. Grounding protects against lightning strikes and electrical surges, reduces electrical noise and interference, and provides a safe path for fault currents. Here are the materials needed: grounding rods or electrodes, typically 8 FT long and 5/8 inch in diameter. Electrical bonding clamps, insulated wire with a minimum of 6 American wire gauge, a grounding plate or conductor, and a ground rod driver. Here are the steps to follow. Firstly, select a grounding location. Choose a location outside the trip line of the signal cabinet and away from hazardous areas such as power lines and gas lines. Ensure that the soil is conductive and free of rocks and debris. Secondly, install grounding electrodes. Drive at least 2 grounding rods about 6 FT deep and space 6 FT apart. Connect the rods to each other with a grounding plate or conductor. Thirdly, ground the signal cabinet. Clamp an electrical bonding clamp to the base of the signal cabinet and connect it to the grounding plate or conductor. Fourthly, ground the poles and arms. Clamp bonding clamps to all metal poles and arms that support the signal head and connect them to the grounding plate or conductor. Fifthly, ground the pedestrian signals. Connect the grounding wire of the pedestrian push buttons and detectors to the grounding plate or conductor. Sixthly, ground the detector loops. Ensure that the detector loops are properly grounded by connecting them to the grounding plate or conductor. Seventhly, test the grounding system. Use a multimeter or other grounding tester to verify that the grounding system has a resistance of less than 5 ohms. Here are some additional considerations. The grounding system should be designed in accordance with the National Electrical Code or NEC and local building codes. All connections should be tight and properly crimped or soldered. Inspect and maintain the grounding system regularly to ensure its integrity. If the grounding system is exposed to water or other elements, consider using waterproof grounding seals to prevent corrosion.